So this is how you can buy your TikTok Shop affiliate account. I'm gonna go on ahead and tap on TikTok to open it up. And as you can see, I have 6,000 followers, maybe even 7,000. In order to create an affiliate account, you're going to need 600 followers. I don't really see the point in buying a TikTok account just to be a TikTok Shop affiliate when you can easily gain those followers in like a few weeks. But if you really want to buy your TikTok account, then you can go on ahead and tap on home and then tap on the search bar over at the top right of the screen. Now simply search TikTok account for sale, and as you can see, there are a lot of results containing TikTok accounts for sale. If you go ahead and open up one of these videos, it's going to show us a list of accounts with over 1,000 followers that we can buy. So if you find an account that you like, you can go on ahead and message the seller or the creator of the video, and then you can sort things out with them. So thank you for watching. Don't forget to leave a like, subscribe, and let us know in the comments down below if the tutorial worked or if you have any questions. Thank you and goodbye.